Hi, myself Gautam Kumar, I am from Shri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, I'll be explaining on the topic negotiating requirements from the engineering, software engineering requirements. First, we look into the contents. We start with an introduction. What is software requirements? The need of negotiation, the stakeholder identification requirement, gathering techniques, and negotiating process, static for effective negotiation, and common challenges. First, let us start with the introduction. Introduction. Overview of over. First, we will look into the overview. In software engineering, negotiating requirements are crucial for project success. It involves balancing diverse stakeholders needs to define a clear and achievable project scope. The purpose of this presentation aims to explore the techniques and strategies that are facilitate the representative requirements negotiating and ensures the project meets the stakeholder expectations while staying within the constraints. And considering the next, we'll look into the what is software requirements. Software requirements is a specification that the software should do its constraints. They guide the development and are essential for project planning and execution. Types there are mainly two types: functional requirements and non-functional requirements. Functional requirements are describing the specific behavior of or functions of the software must be performed, that is authorizing, data processing, etc. Non-functional requirements are defining system attributes such as security, reliability, performance, and scalability, which is also called a system responsible time data encryption. The importance of clear requirements helps to prevent misuse, misstudying, and reduces reworks and ensures the final product meets the user needs. Now let us look at the need of negotiation. Diver- Diverse stakeholders. Different stakeholders, that is client, users, or develop have various needs and priorities. The construction projects often face time, budget, and technical limitations, making negotiation necessary to balance their conditions. The goal is to reach the construct that satisfy the stakeholders' need to be facilitated and practical. Now let us look into the stakeholder identification. First we'll look into the key stakeholders. There are mainly five types, that is client, end user, development, project manager, testers. First we start with the clients. Commission commission the project and provides fundings. End user, the using of the final product and provides practical requirements. They develop and build the software and have technical insignificance. Project manager oversees the project and ensures it meets all deadlines and budget. Testers ensure the product meets quality and standards. Now we'll see look into the roles and responsibility. Understanding each stakeholder influence and contribution may help in managing the expectations and negotiation requirements efficiently. Now let us look into the requirements gathering techniques. In methods, we have mainly four types, that is interview, survey, workshop, and brainstorming. First, we'll see in the interviews. One-on-one discussions to understand stakeholder needs, surveying questionnaires to gather the information from large audience, workshops, collaborating sessions to brainstorm and refine the requirements, brainstorming, gathering ideas and solutions through group discussions. Next, we have documentations, requirement specification, detailed describes of a system requirements. Next is using stores, simplification information describe of a feature told from a perspective of user. User cases scenarios describing the interaction between users and systems. Now let us look into the negotiation process. That is, there are many stages, like mainly five stages. First, we will start with preparations. In this step, we will gather information on stakeholders' needs and project constraints, understanding the priorities and potential compromises. Next is discussion. This step is a crucial of this negotiation process because we need to discuss everything what the stakeholders needs, like facilitating open dialogues to expose opinions and viewpoints, ensuring all stakeholders have opportunity to voice their opinion. This is a main important thing in the negotiation process. Next one is proposal, presenting an initial solution and alternatives. Urging proposals with stakeholders and needs a project flexibility. This is another important thing where we have many ideas to combine and form a proper end process. Next is bargaining. Negotiating the terms and details of requirements and aiming for composed that satisfy the major of stakeholders. Bargaining is also Bargaining can be used for negotiating the terms which is not required and having the terms which is required. Next is agreement. This is a final step of the requirements process, that is reaches the constant of final requirements documents, arranges the specific clearance and compliances. This also helps in proper negotiation requirements, which makes the project easy. Next, we have strategies for effective negotiation. Mainly have three types: achieve listening, prioritizing, and compromises. First, we'll start with achieve listening. Active listening, ensuring all voices are heard and understood. Encourage open communication and feedback. This is mainly used for the other opinions like user opinions or for the product testing. Next is prioritizing. Rank rank requirements based on value and flexibility using priority techniques like MOSCOWS. Must have, should have, could have, we do not have. Comprising the main. Next one is using prior. Next is compromise. Finding a middle group that satisfies the users. Next we have the compromising, finding groups and satisfy major stakeholders. Next we have is common challenges faced. There are mainly three types of common challenges faced, that is conflict interests, ambiguous and scope creeps. First we'll start with the different stakeholders have conflicts, priorities and objectives leading to a challenge of allegation requirements. Unclearing or vulgar requirements can result in misunderstanding and delays of project delivery. Next is scope clearance. Uncontrolled changes or continuous growth of project can be impacting timeline, budget, and project success. And this is about the negotiation requirements. Thank you.